Are you admitting to being biased?
Or am I accusing?
Accusing me? No, bring on the next baby! There's no collusion in this! According to my notes, it says that one of staff wanted to submit a coughing baby.
Thank you, staff-san.
Thank you, staff-san.
I feel like I was so stunned that I didn't process what I was hearing properly.
You're like, oh my goodness, staff submitted a coughing baby.
I was trying to figure out which staff member it was, but I don't know.
Oh, well, playback. Well, staff, I was getting the frequencies, but I don't think I was getting a 𝗀𝗂𝗃𝗃, but it might just be because it's staff.
I wasn't getting much 𝗀𝗂𝗃𝗃 either, though. I do think this I feel like was not a streamer professional microphone, which I feel like was actually enhancing the experience.
Yes, because
the poor quality microphone.
A baby's not gonna have a $200, $300 microphone. The baby's coughing into their iPad.
The baby doesn't have the SM7B to cough into.
That was a pretty... Okay, the roleplay aspect of the coughing baby is ranking quite high.
Yeah.
Sound frequencies, 𝗀𝗂𝗃𝗃, middling.
I liked the Xbox mic.
I really appreciate that they wanted to be a part of the coughing baby contest, though.
Yeah, me too.
A good baby. Thank you, staff-san. Oh, our vote. All right, staff-san. 1, 2, 3. It seems that we've come to an agreement on staff. Yes.
Don't let this discourage you.
Do not be discouraged. Keep coughing.
Keep coughing.
We believe in you.